Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to use and make custom feeds on Bluesky Social. First, you'll have to go to the site Sky Feed app. And once you open the site, an interface like this one will show in front of you. Now, it may feel a little bit complicated, but I'll show you exactly the steps to make your own feed. So first, you have to click on this icon, this orange icon right here. And after that, we'll show you this page. Click on this arrow on the top right corner, then choose Create Feed. After that, we'll show you this page right here and with some feed preview on the right side. And now here, as you can see, you have these options, input and regex. You can simply click on input, click on entire network, then you'll have to choose single user. Once you click on it, it will show you this box right here, user DID. Just click on select yourself, and once it enter your DID, it will show you these errors on the right side. But don't worry, you just have to change some settings down below in the regex. Now you have to choose image alt text or post text as you need. Then you have to type the keywords in this box right here. Once you finish, you can simply generate a feed, or let's say that you want to add a post in order to make something similar or has the same keywords of the post that you're going to add. Simply click on add block, then click on input, and here down below underneath regex, it will show you another box right here. You just have to click on entire network, then choose single post, and now it will show you this box right here. You have to paste the URL just right here, and it will generate you a similar post to the post that you have entered. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.